In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use live chat Salesforce support. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking to enhance your customer support experience, this guide will walk you through the easy process of accessing and utilizing live chat support. Let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Salesforce Help homepage. You can do this by visiting help.salesforce.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll find a range of resources at your fingertips, from documentation and community forums to direct support options. It's a great place to start if you have any questions or need assistance with any of Salesforce's features. For today's purpose, we're going to focus on how to engage with live chat support, which offers quick and direct communication with a support expert. Now that you're on the Salesforce Help page, the next step is to initiate a live chat session. To do this, look around the page for a chat box or banner that prompts you to start a conversation. Often, there's an icon or a link that says something like, "Chat with an expert," or "Get help." Click on this link or icon. Once you've done that, a chat window will usually pop up on your screen. This is where you can type in your message to connect with a customer support representative. Keep in mind that starting off with a clear and concise message can be really helpful. Try to briefly explain the issue or question you have so that the support agent can assist you more effectively. After you've entered your message and hit send, all you need to do is wait for a response from a support representative. Typically, a Salesforce expert will join the chat shortly to address your inquiries. While you're waiting, it might be a good idea to have any relevant information at hand, such as your account details or specifics about the issue you're experiencing. This way, when the agent responds, you are prepared to provide any information they might need to assist you efficiently. Once a Salesforce agent connects with you, you'll be able to have a real-time conversation with them, just like texting a friend. This dialogue is all about resolving your issue or answering your questions on the spot. Don't hesitate to ask follow-up questions if the initial response doesn't fully resolve your concern. The goal here is to make sure that you are entirely satisfied with the solution provided by the end of the chat. And there you have it, a straightforward way to use live chat support through Salesforce. By following these simple steps, you can get the most out of Salesforce's customer service and find quick resolutions to your queries. Thank you for tuning in, and happy chatting!